Right, having a look at this because it's knocking out the earth trip. I'm going to start checking the pump first, just because it's easy to get the cover off. The first thing I've noticed is it's got this 20 microfarad capacitor outside. From the factory, they're inside the box here. I thought 20 is a bit big. They're usually a 10 on the 250 pumps or a 14 on the 270. On the label there, I don't know if you can make it out, it says 10 microfarad, so somebody's been out and put the wrong size one on. So the first thing we want to do is confirm we've got an earth, so we've got that clip on there, and then we'll put that on the earth terminal on the motor, hit the test button, and that's what we've got. Okay on there. We're going to get flooded if we're not careful. We'll take these two wires out of here and see if it's coming down this way or it's coming out of here. So that was the reading off the wash pump. Let's try the other terminal. So that's okay. See that. It's on the line. That's on the neutral, so it seems to be coming down that neutral wire. So it could be anything that's connected to that in this box here. So we'll put all this back together. That's the agitator motor on the top of the tank. It smells a bit burnt. There's some condensation in there. We've had a capacitor blow up in the past by the look of it, and they can smell bad from that. So we'll get these two wires took out and then we'll test it. Right, got our earth wire on the top there. So we've got good earth, we've just tested to the tank. That's not looking good. It's on the other terminal. Showing it short. That's on one of the incoming wires. It's on the other one, so the problem is the agitator motor shorted out. That's the box here. You've got two chemical pumps, acid and alkaline. The solenoid valves to let the hot and cold water in. Safety for the wash pump, like a reset button on there. So we'll just mega this just to be on the safe side, then we've tested everything on the tank. We could have two faults. Right, we've checked the two pumps there, okay. We've checked some of the connections on here, main live and neutral, and that's okay. That's your live in here. So everything this side of the switch is the whole panel. We've got so many mega ohms on this side of these two and on that one, but on this one's reading giga ohms on here, so I'm going to check the coil. We've got a bad connection, or the coil's gone open circuit. Kilo ohms, so there might well have been a bad connection then. So that sounds about right. Yeah, that's testing okay now. We must have had a bit of dirt under here or something. So this all checks out okay. Right, I've got our temporary agitator motor on there. It's a different style to the old one. So we've had to use this adapter plate. This comes pre-drilled. I don't know if we can get under there. It's got all different holes for different styles of motors that you can fit on there. We couldn't get the collar to fit because of that bolt, so we've put a Jubilee clip around there to hold the pin. And we've crimped the cable and put some tape over that, which is that's this stuff. I don't know if it's silicone or what it is, but once you've peeled the backing off and wrapped it round there, it sticks. It's like one piece of rubber now. We've got a double layer over there. I'll keep that waterproof till we can get a new motor. Milk cold again till next week when we can get a new motor ordered up.